Yan si Jennifer.
Hey.
Yan. Jo, look at here. Say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, Nobi.
Hello.
Yan, guys. Yan, yung mga gorgeous ladies.
Hello guys! Another day, another vlog. On today's video, we're going to Korean restaurant with my friends. At finally, dumating na rin yung isang friend namin. So, papunta na tayo doon sa Korean restaurant. Tara! So, andito na tayo sa restaurant located at Midland and Fence, Scarborough. So tara, papasok na tayo. So, ito na nga. Umorder na kami ng lulutuin namin. So, take note guys, dito is unlimited. Eat all you can. Sa halagang $40. That's eat all you can. Unlimited. You can eat as long as you want. Yan ang mga side dish nila, yung kimchi, radish pickle, tofu. May seafoods din sila gaya ng mussels, shrimp, at squid. So popular sa kanila yung barbecue beef spare ribs, chicken, pork, at saka marinated chicken, marinated pork, marinated beef, spare ribs, at may marinated salmon din sila. At saka may sausage din sila if you want. So, first time kong pumasok dito guys. So, natikman ko yung popular beef spare ribs nila. Masarap. Masarap naman pala in fairness. At tapos na kaming kumain. So, ayan. Lalabas na kami guys. Kaya happy tummy ang lahat. Ayan guys, lumabas na kami ng restaurant. Ayan, lalabas na kami. Uwi na rin kami. Ayan. So, andito na kami sa car. Shoutout nga pala sa sponsor namin, Brian Ga. Sana ay maulit muli. At yun lang guys. And that's for the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Have a good night everyone. Bye.